this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm just coming to you with a quick little project share. And it is this little card here, which I think came out so adorable. I've used here some stickers, or I should say a sticker that says, "With God all things are possible," and that's Matthew 19:26, and that came from this packet here of stickers from the Paper Studio. I think they're absolutely beautiful, and I look forward to making more cards or using them in a mini album even. And I've also used this adorable stamp here. Her name is The Getaway, and this is from Santoro, London, and of course I love the Gorgeous Girl stamps. I had not used this one in a really long time, so I got her out because I wanted to use that little image of the horse, and I love her little buffalo stance there too, so I used the heart stamp. I've also used this die set from TONIC Studios, Spring Garden Layering Die Set, as well as others from the Memory Book Collection, and that is the very first Memory Book Collection. And then I also have these dies that make these little flowers, and I can't remember who makes them, but I believe it was LDRS, but don't quote me on that. So there she is. She's so super cute. And I did heat emboss the image. I love doing that. Then just coloring it in my own style. I love to add all different colors and shading and little details to stamped images. And so here's the little heart from the very same set. What I did was I stamped and cut it out, and then I backed it up with the gold cardstock that you see there. I did make a couple of double bows there to add the pink and gold in that little corner. And then I made the little matching flowers that I did hand color every single one of those layers there, just so you know. And then the little leaf there is actually from Magnolia. The background paper that you see here is pink paper that I inked with white ink using a stencil from We Are Memory Keepers, and I showed that in a separate video. And then the edge I just outlined in gold with a gold marker. The sentiment on the inside says, "Be strong and take heart," and that is part of a Bible verse, and those are some Bible journaling stamps that I have. So what I did was that I heat embossed it onto this adorable pink cardstock, and the embossing powder also has glitter in it, of course, if you can tell. And then I used my Crop-A-Dile to make the little hole here, and then added the little ribbon there. And this card is longer in the front than it is in the back, and it's hard to see, but it will stand very nicely on a tabletop. So that is my card share, and I hope that you enjoy this video, that you can be inspired and be blessed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.